Welcome to Mysteries of the Cosmos, the place where we explore the deepest mysteries of the universe. Today we are faced with a question that has plagued scientists and philosophers for centuries: how and when will everything end? The cosmos, vast and infinite, could have an end as spectacular as its origin. In this video, we'll break down 9 shocking theories that attempt to answer this mystery. Some are cold and bleak, others violent and chaotic, and a few unimaginable. Prepare for a journey to the edge of existence. Let's get started. At number 9, the Big Freeze. The Big Freeze is an icy fate for the universe. Cosmic expansion continues unabated, and over time, galaxies move so far apart that stars run out of fuel. Everything cools down to temperatures close to absolute zero. There is no light, no energy, just an infinite, frozen void. The particles barely move, trapped in an eternal silence. It is a silent ending, where the universe becomes a cosmic desert, without movement, without life. Some see it as a peaceful death, but its desolate immensity is terrifying. Is this the final destiny of all that exists, a cosmos frozen in eternity? At number 8, the Big Crunch. The Big Crunch is the opposite of the Big Bang, a monumental cosmic collapse. If the expansion of the universe stops, gravity could cause everything to collapse in on itself. Galaxies, stars, planets, everything would be compressed into an infinitely dense and hot point, an inverse echo of its birth. It is a violent ending, where the cosmos collapses into a burning chaos. Some believe that this collapse could lead to a new Big Bang, an eternal cycle of creation and destruction. But what would happen to everything that exists now? It would be erased in an instant, reduced to nothing. An ending as grand as it is terrifying, where the universe consumes itself. At number 7, the Big Rip. The Big Rip is a brutal and merciless ending. If dark energy accelerates the expansion of the universe without control, everything would disintegrate. First the galaxies, then the stars, the planets, and finally the atoms themselves would be torn apart, frayed by unimaginable forces. Nothing would remain, only an absolute void, a shattered cosmos. It is a swift and violent end, where the universe is destroyed from within, unable to resist its own expansion. Imagine the very fabric of reality crumbling away until it disappears. There is no escape, there is no refuge. Is this the fate that awaits us, a universe torn apart by its own nature? At number 6, the Big Bounce. The Big Bounce proposes a cyclical universe, an eternal back and forth of creation and destruction. After a big crunch, a new Big Bang could emerge, restarting everything. It is an ending that is not really an end, but a rebirth, a new beginning. However, each cycle erases the previous one, and everything we know would disappear, lost in cosmic oblivion. It is a destiny that mixes hope and tragedy. The universe continues, but we do not. Is this an eternal cycle, or will it one day stop forever? The Big Bounce invites us to reflect on eternity and our insignificance. An ending that, although beautiful, reminds us that everything has a price, even existence itself. At number 5, the Vacuum Decay. The vacuum decay is an ending that could occur at any moment, without warning. According to quantum physics, the vacuum is not stable, and a fluctuation could trigger a bubble of energy that expands at the speed of light, destroying everything in its path. Stars, planets, even the laws of physics would be replaced by a new state, a completely different universe. It is an instantaneous end, where the cosmos simply ceases to be, erased in the blink of an eye. The scariest thing is that it could be happening right now, somewhere in space. What if we are already doomed, trapped in a universe on the brink of collapse? At number 4, the end by collision with a parallel universe. The multiverse theory suggests that other universes exist, and one could collide with our own. If this happens, the physical laws of both could collide, triggering total annihilation. Imagine two realities merging into absolute chaos, where nothing we know survives. Stars would fade, planets would dissolve, and time itself could collapse. It is an ending that escapes our understanding, an encounter between the impossible and the unimaginable. What if another universe is already on its way, heading towards us? Could we detect it before impact? This theory reminds us how fragile our existence is in the grand cosmic scheme. At number 3, the end by simulation. What if everything we know isn't real? The end by simulation theory suggests that we live in a reality created by an advanced civilization. If they decide to turn off the simulation, the universe would simply disappear, like a closed program on a computer. There would be no explosions or chaos, just an instant blackout, a total erasure of existence. It is an ending that challenges our perception of reality. Are we just data in a machine? What if the Creator decides that we are no longer needed? This theory not only questions the end of the universe, but the very meaning of our existence. What would you do if you knew it could all be over with a simple click? Number 2, the end by resource depletion for life. Imagine a universe where the stars, one by one, go out like candles in the darkness. The resource depletion for life does not destroy the cosmos, but condemns it to eternal silence. Without energy, without light, without heat, any form of life would disappear, leaving only inert remains floating in the darkness. The galaxies would fade away into absolute cold, a cosmic desert without witnesses. It is a slow, almost poetic ending, where the universe continues to exist, but empty, with no one to contemplate it. It is not the end of the cosmos, but the end of everything we know as life. Can you imagine a universe so vast and so lonely, where the echo of our existence is lost forever? And at number 1, the end by cosmic catastrophe. The universe is a violent place, and a cosmic catastrophe could be its end. Imagine massive supernovas, colliding black holes, or devastating gamma rays wiping out entire galaxies. These events, although rare, could trigger an unstoppable chain of destruction. If a catastrophe of cosmic scale were to occur nearby, life would disappear in an instant, consumed by chaos. It's an unpredictable ending, where the universe tears itself apart in an explosion of cosmic fury. It is not an orderly end, but a whirlwind of violence that could erase all traces of existence. What if the next catastrophic event is already on its way, lurking in the shadows of the cosmos? We've explored 9 fascinating theories about the end of the universe, from the cold silence of the Big Freeze to the chaos of the Big Rip and the mystery of the Big Bounce. Each one reminds us how fragile and vast the cosmos is, and how our existence is just a moment in its history. Which of these theories impacted you the most? Leave us your opinion in the comments and share this video with those who love the mysteries of the universe. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss our next cosmic trips. Until next time, and remember, the universe always has secrets to reveal. See you.